What's up, beautiful people? In this video, I will show you how to connect your Blum wallet with the Telegram. So first thing first, go to the Blum website, which is blum.io. In the website, you will see an option. It says launch Blum on Telegram. So you know that you must have a Telegram application on your desktop in order to open it on your Telegram. So I actually do have the Telegram open in my desktop. So what I'm gonna do is just gonna press this launch Blum on Telegram button. So let's do it. So once I have done it, you'll see that I am on this page over here. So it says that trade, connect, grow, and farm Blum points made by Blum crypto team. So let's send them a message. They say open a page in the Telegram desktop. So let's do it. So here you can see that I've been connected to the Blum official Telegram channel, and this is my official board of Blum. So what I'm gonna do over here is to go and click on this launch Blum button. You can follow these same steps on your mobile phone, which can be iOS or Android. So there is no such difference on desktop, iOS or Android. So the process is almost similar. So just click on launch Blum button. So what it will do, it will actually launch the Blum crypto bot. So let's see what it got. So as you guys can see that the farming is already up. My Blum is farming in my Telegram. So what I'm gonna do is to connect the Telegram wallet with the Blum. In order to do that, the process is very simple. So you can see that the wallet option over here, just click on it and it says connect wallet. So once you click on the connect wallet option, it shows you many different sort of wallets. You can swipe it on the right side, view all wallets, and you can see that there are multiple wallets. The option of wallet on Telegram is over here as well, and is on the main page as well over here. So just click, you can click on any of the buttons of either here or on the other option to go and connect your Telegram wallet. So just click on it. So once you click on the button, you will see this option to connect the wallet. So all you have to do is to click over here to connect wallet, and your wallet will be connected with the Blum. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please consider subscribing to my channel. Take care. Bye.